Yes, guys, welcome back to the channel, Gabidan Family TV. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself. Hope everybody is okay. Yeah, man, open all right. Yeah, man, bless upon yourself. But anyway, uh, me have some joke. I have some joke for you today. Yeah, man, I'm gonna make you laugh today. Yeah, man. Um, Only a Jamaican can make you laugh a certain kind of way. To be honest, anyway you go, um, anywhere you go, over the overseas or yard, broad, anywhere you go on earth, and you buck up on a Jamaican, and a Jamaican can make you laugh certain kind of way, to be honest. Yeah, man. So I was actually watching some videos where it was a good laugh, and I decided that I want to actually share it with you guys. Instead of actually, posting it on the shorts, actually just kind of talk about it a bit. Yeah, man. So, um, the first one I actually have is actually a elderly woman, right? That make it even more funnier. A elderly woman. This woman actually seems to be more like about in her 60s, I would actually say. Yeah, man. About in her 60s. And guys, I can tell you, young and vibrant, same way. Yeah, well, so me actually kind of play just the audio, really. Yeah, man, just to actually kind of stay in line with YouTube policies. Yeah, man, just I try to avoid the reuse content. Yeah, man, so me actually kind of just play the audio and make you actually hear for yourself. Yeah, man, it is something to actually laugh about. Yeah, man, so I'm actually gonna actually have it on my phone, right? So I'm actually gonna play the audio and let you hear it. And let you hear it. Yeah, man, because to be honest, yeah, man, we like classify, we say, yeah, grandma bad. Yeah, man, but grandma full of chat to you. Yeah, man, so just listen, uh, watch and so I go on. Yeah, man.
You see, me is a woman, I love the older men them, but me not lucky with them. Cause me did bring one at my house, and him body couldn't turn up. Him beat and lick and blow and twist and turn the body and beat it, and he couldn't get turn up. Anyhow, me have another whole friend because they say me love the whole of them, but when it come on the sex part, them no good pan. Me not lucky with them that way there. So me bring one other one. But there. So me bring come on me house. That's one of them me know a long time, Me and him used to flex and we have a little one drink and some.
So you hear that, guys? Yeah, man. So this person is actually an elderly woman, and if you hear how she actually sound like a real young girl. So like she that prime, same yeah. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, make we hear what going again.
All right, money right as me make your mommy I tell you say. Him sexy never the bad. If you tell you. But boy, I saw him joke, I saw him fart. I saw him joke, I saw him poop. I mean, me I tell you say,
No, no, no. That is something to laugh about. Eh? No, me African are really pause a bit peeps. This is actually a elderly woman. No, man, grandma bad, man. Grandma bad.
I was so uncomfortable. It was a disaster again because the poop stinky, stinky, stink. Used to, when we can't get to do no action, we can't get to win or no nothing, you know. You understand? Because I saw him joke, I saw him fight. Brrr. I saw him joke, I saw him fart. Brrr. I mean, I tell you, sir, when this stinking smell take me from the poop, you understand me? After a while, you know, it made me start whine because so when in joke and fart, so me turn the side and the whole body I turn. So when in joke and fart, me turn back the body and the head and the body I move. So when in joke and fart, so my whole body I move from so and so and so and so and so under the stinking fart. And me I tell you, so me I pray God thing come, you know, and me I tell you, say the longest come. Me ever see a man take to come because me I tell you, say the man just has joke and a fart. When he joke me fart, burp, a pure joke and fart, the man go on and him go on and go on. And so in joke and fart, me turn so his body look like a one now and in joke and fart, me sound so. Because me I the smell of the fart and when he joke and fart, and me turn so. Me just have turn so and a turn so and a turn so and him a joke and fart, burp. Him a joke and fart, burp. Him a joke and fart, burp. For the whole night. Me the man did I set up here joke and fart. And
Oh my God. No, to be honest, peeps, I'm supposed to watch it around about 20 times already, to be honest. So what she's actually saying is that she, as an elderly woman, she like big man. Yeah, that's what actually she's actually saying. But when you come on to the bedroom, yeah man, it's a whole different story. That is what he's actually trying to say. And that she actually have a bad experience with that. As you actually hear for yourself. Yeah, it's like I could actually hold a laugh, through the video. It's actually something to laugh about. But I'm telling you, Jamaicans, we take everything make joke. That's what me actually realize. You know. Sometimes you have to get a laugh still. A laugh is very good. Laughter is the best medicine. Yeah man, laughter is the best medicine. Yeah man. Anyway, so I actually have another video. I actually the audio may actually share with you. This guy, everybody is familiar with him. Barda Cat. Yeah man, Barda Cat is hilarious. Yeah man, real Jamaican man, down to earth. Yeah man, anybody who watch or listen Barda Cat and I laugh, you don't know Barda Cat it. Yeah man. So, I go kind of play a video, make you actually listen to the audio, and I can tell you, yeah man, Jamaicans, we are the best. We are the best in everything. Yeah man. Alright, so listen this now, guys.
And him charge them there bar have a drink, Sharp Friday night, And I got a club, And them say when them looking at such man glass, like everybody a drink romantic.
Yes.
So glass would look clear like water same way,
Yeah.
Looking at him glass, it dark like him a drink molasses, So man, so then I wine up for your glass, so man. Them say a man have to watch film glass. Watch to feed them glass, yes. Well, me not think nothing bad wrong with that. Yeah, but when the man them see him a sip up that, him sip up and him sip up him now. Nobody see when him a tap up him glass with him something in pocket,
Yeah. One is always a glass full.
Yes, go, club brother. Me say from him attack stage go turn him down, Say them don't know why him have tough up in a pants tonight like him going up plan for them. So girl go turn him down right this now, him not have nothing for turn to, Man start feel hard pain in the night then now, you know, cause this get over stiff. Yes, sir, man. Man say you know him start, tell him charge them so something happened to him. I feel pain. Man say, yeah, what you mean? Yeah, him say, I feel pain down a low there, you know? Yeah. Man say, then that no sound good. Where you take, where you do? Say him not take nothing, him not do nothing.
Just
Say, hold on, man. Talk to him and tell we were wrong. Say him want go up to him hospital. And them say, this look serious, them run with him. Then go up them doctor, nurse and porter take off clothes off a boy, you know. And pitch tent in a hospital high up here, you know. So them run call for some nurse and doctor and porter for swing on pan this. Nurse a swing on, doctor swing on, porter swing on. This can't go down. I said, no young man, why you take? Say him not take nothing.
See you where?
Yeah, him not take nothing. Him just go have a drink at the bar.
That's right.
Man say, wait man, we a go down there, go look big glass, them did a drink out. When them go down there, them search and them find it kind of hard to find it different from all the rest of them. It's stain, you know.
And dark.
Dark. Plastic cup, you know, brother, and me say dark, it's stain. And the man them carry it up at the hospital. Show a doctor them say, well, like this him trouble. Cause him can't talk, him can't do nothing, him can't even see much people in our ward, you know.
Pain.
What happened to you, man? Pain. When them call for more porter to come swing pan this, porter say no, them can't swing out this. This can't go down. Call the doctor, make him give my injection to bring it down.
That's Christ.
Doctor Chuan, one pan boy. Come like this, make it stiffer.
No, peeps. Only a Jamaican. So, to me, that come like a some stone or brush. I don't know how they call it. Yeah, some jinxing. Yeah, man, but I tell you about only a Jamaican, man. Man go for mash works. Yeah? And the backfire upon him. Make we hear what go on.
Yeah. Him tell doctor say look like him can't see good. My sight a go. Doctor show on one more pan him, he can't help this over stiff. That trouble eyesight you know, cause you know one vein to his nerves, you know, man. It's a liquid eyesight, you know, not care much people there in front of him, not see them again, you know.
Yes.
Well, doctor tell him, say, young man, one chance to this, you know. It's either you leave it and you're blind, it'll go blind you.
What you choose?
Or you have to go slit it. Them not deal with no slitting, you know.
Where can I sleep?
Cut the vein.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Them not deal with no slitting, him want it to go down. Doctor try with him again with another injection. Can't help him. Him turn to doctor and tell him, say, slit it down. Cause pain more than anything else now, you know, man. And your eyesight a go.
Pressure.
Yeah, him say, doctor, fi slit it.
It's a bossy pipe.
Doctor test all the cup, them send cup a lab and everything go test. No Tantaria boy drink.
So what Tantaria good for?
Tantaria something where them get ass. Them big animal they attract.
Alright, peeps. As me say, only a Jamaican. Yeah, man, from Barda Cat telling a story. Yeah, man, so this man actually take something where actually forgive. Horse. Say no say and not normal that. Yeah, man. He mash up himself, man. Yeah, man, I could hear your side story.
Yeah, like them say one grass straw to a drum of water.
Something like that, Danny one.
Danny, not fit drink that to kill him. Not trouble Danny. And him go drink it like, you know, him a pour out in a cup. Look how strong them animal they is to me and you. And them say one grass shot to a drum of water for the animal. And him a pour out in a glass. Him looking at kill him pan spot, him drop flesh right here.
Come to say him still
Yeah, him drop flesh, man. Him couldn't live out. And before him dead, him blind. Yeah, man.
Still trouble in eyesight.
Trouble in eyesight, see him with.
Him kill off himself.
Him kill off himself, man. Satisfied with what you can do.
Well, you have to take bad things, make jokes still, you know, peeps. And I hope that the man them actually take this actually serious. Yeah, man. If you are going, it is best to actually just drink some water. The best thing that me can actually say. Not drink nothing when you say you go on a mission. Yeah, man. But you just drink some water. Yeah, man, and that's basically it. So this person actually is actually deceased. Based on Border Cat story. Yeah, man, but take bad things in a joke. Yeah, man, but we finish here with myself still.
Come on. Just good way you can do, brother.
So Johnny, you know, where like he was in supplement and then Ray, Johnny.
Supplement boots.
Yeah, and he say he do it 2 times a night. Like him back this a night. 2 times a night.
So that's him a buy a supplement for the breakfast?
Yes, Johnny.
Supplement a good drink, you know, good food drink. You can feed your body and strengthen your body.
Yes.
So good if you have some nice girl to deal with.
Yes.
And strap up a night. So you can drink up your supplement punch and, you know, your Guinness and your cow's milk and them something, you know. Strong up body. But nothing go.
No, peeps. Oh, I better tell you what our crowd, I swear. Yeah, man, but there's a these like love kind of watch them look over there still. You know, it's actually funny, and actually educational. As a man see him way, it actually clearly I tell you say sorry. Certain things are not for the body. Alright? Especially if it is actually for animals. Yeah, man. So him rang up right there so still. I imagine he want a business. Yeah, man. But sometimes you have to take bad things make laugh. No, you really have to take bad things make laugh sometimes still, you know? Yeah, man. So, man, we take boots up. And that is actually the result of it. But anyway, as I say, I decided to say, I kind of go through some videos, but just the audio I actually kind of share with you guys still. Yeah, man, that's something for actually laugh about still, you know. Yeah, man, so as a Jamaican, I can actually tell you this. Some things happen in our country sometimes, some people, like them lucky enough to actually catch it on video. And we actually found a video, which I actually have on my phone, I actually kind of share the audio. Wearing, I will actually say, not really unsound mind, but it's actually between a man and 2 women. Wearing a 2 woman, they don't really look so. So 100 still. You know, we don't put on a body still, you understand? But it's like they actually kind of fight over the guy one way. And something actually laugh, but yeah, man. So I actually kind of share this with you know. Alright, so yeah, man, let's listen to here where I go. Yeah, man, so just kind of start it over from the beginning. Yeah, man. Alright.
I feel it's wisey. Yes, auntie.
You feel this, boysy? So you don't know, say, you don't know, say.
Pick up with the camera, then she's with an introduce me, introduce me, mother and the auntie them, and the one and sister them are sent tea.
So, hold on there. Hold on, no, Sam. So, hold on there. Oi.
Club down there. And the mother introduced me.
Yo, so look here. Come here now. So,
I'm living in a weird long film, auntie.
oh God.
Weird long.
Oh God. So look here.
Look here, around on me, I'm crushed right now.
So boys, you break your heart now. Oh God. So look here now. Him say you don't know say a boy is the woman this year. So you don't know say a boy is the woman.
Right now.
Oh God. So you don't know say a boy is the woman that. So you don't know say a boy is the woman that.
No, broke up in pieces.
Your heart broke up in a pieces. Oh God. So you never know say a Samantha man. Yo, Tapina
mad over. Handicap, go back come on the bed to German. Handicap, go back come on the bed to German.
Boysy. So how you manage to carry the woman come here and make him fall in love with you? I know say you're Samantha there. How you feel that?
I run some man there.
What she do?
I'm not going to pursue that because it's what she did. I know come to see them about tell
So God say you love Boysy and Boysy break your heart.
Country drama. Yeah, so this a video actually say is actually the countryside. Yeah man, really something for laugh about. Alright, so we actually listen and get to look and understand how I go on.
No one who walk under the road.
So show me man where break your heart. Show me man where break your heart now. Pine pan him, let me see. Pine pan him now. No listen to you. No listen to her. Pine pan who will break your heart. Pine pan who will break your heart.
I'm the first of the bomb because in front of me.
I never seen them yet.
Me boss you up in a rock with me.
Why is he? When you're not ready to fight, to no go per road. When you're ready to fight, go per road. Hold on then. Let me understand this stuff. Why is he? You're sure you're not touching woman? No. You're sure you're not touching? Why is he not touch you? Why is he not touch you?
Fuck with me for.
Oi, why is he not touch you?
Jesus.
Why is he? Listen to me. You can't make a girl them a fight in a yard, brother. Why is it? You can't make it two man them a fight over you.
Stop calling me so.
Boy guys, it's serious. Yeah man. Really serious. John.
I'm calling me so my grandmother girl just in a flint ceiling in your face. You block us a fire cool.
Ask him again, boys. Ask him again, boys.
I want to relax, start touching me on my head.
Ask him again.
Jesus Christ. Lord of mercy. Stevie, I'm sitting. I get in front of you, Stevie, because I can't believe when you're here in my ears. You love me, Victor?
Of course. I love you more than Kenny.
Oh, yes.
More than Kenny.
No, you can't.
So this a woman look like you already have a man already. No, a big cheating business I go. How I go on as well?
Why is he? Ask him about someone.
Wait. So, where? Me, I go do with my dear mother. But here I am and I cheap it me. So what am I do with him? Tell me what to do.
When if you do with Samantha, if you left that one day, and they with you?
Eh? And Can't blood. Let me
If
see
you left
here.
Samantha,
What
if
did
you
you do?
ask
Let's get it. And there with you. Can't cut your blood, let me break, let me cut everybody here. See me two never there and listen to. One here. Can't cut your mouth like how me attack. What me do? Left Kenny over there, so, and there with you.
That woman
Ask him what
back.
me- why is
She
he-
will come back to me.
Ask him
That
what-
woman.
And that's how I know.
Ask
She
him
will
what- why
come
is
back
he-
to me.
No! Yes, I want to blood clot.
Kiss me out.
And then you want me dead?
Kiss me out.
And then you want me
Look
dead?
at me, look at me, look at you, baby mother, are not leave her and come back to you.
No.
You I want next to me.
Oh no.
You want
I want
next to
the
me.
bomb.
Alright, anyway. And I apologize a bit the language right there, me actually kinda cut it right there, so still. Yeah man, but Jamaica always a keep. Jamaica always a keep. Yeah man. Whereas something always a happen at Jamaica. Something always happen at Jamaica, peeps. Yeah man. So anyway, that video now, we actually just play a while ago, is actually something that happened. Not quite sure the location, but somewhere in the countryside still. But I can't believe when me hear one the woman I say, you know, she love that man more than the person where she actually have. I hope and actually they hear that for herself. Boy, confession is good for the soul. Mhm. But anyway, guys, yeah, man. Just kind of share something with them still, you know. Yeah, man. But Jamaicans, we are the best, man. There's so much things you back up and some things you have to really. You have to take me things make me laugh. Alright, so me actually play one more video, which me actually have. Alright, so this video is actually a guy where I think he actually I'm not quite sure if it is storm or a flood or something, but however, he was affected by a natural disaster. And I can tell you see, when I interview a Jamaican about something, or some Jamaicans, not everybody is saying it. But yeah, when I interview some persons, boy, to be honest, you know, you just have to take bad things, make laugh. Yeah, man. So, make us kind of find the video. Alright, so, this is the last video they actually play. And, yeah, man. Alright, so, here it is.
Them what going on?
No, man, lay down on my bed, man. No, lay down then. No, you want big thing to lick the house. And when you lick the house, I want big tall water, me see come. Watch on my bed. Me up on the bed, me have to turn up. Which escape the water. Me 50 phone gun, me 3 chainsaw. Me have 80,000 US in my pocket, under my rug. You go, come with me and call up, the man. You know, just come and call up.
No, I tell you, peeps, no, I go play it over one more time. Because better says like I think I actually watch it around 5 or 6 times. This is very unreal.
Them what going
No,
on?
man, lay down on my bed, man. No, lay down then. No, you want big thing to lick the house. And when you lick the house, I want big tall water, me see come. Watch on my bed. Me up on the bed, me have to turn up. Which escape the water. Me 50 phone gun, me 3 chainsaw. Me have 80,000 US in my pocket, under my rug. You go, come with me and call up, the man. You know, just come and call up. Yeah, me have to go down to get one woman come back.
I tell you, Jamaicans, we are the best. Yeah, man. We are the number one, man. We full of joke, you know? Yeah, man. As I said, Jamaica, stop. Jamaica, stop. Anyway, I hope you guys actually have a laugh. So laughter is the best medicine. Yeah, man. Bless up on yourself. So anyway, if you actually make this far into the video, you know, thanks for actually watching. You know, if you're new to the channel, please go ahead, subscribe, show some support. Like, comment, and share. You know, tell a friend and tell a friend. Yeah, man. So anyway, until the next video, guys. Yeah, man. Bless upon yourself and stay safe and do the right thing, you know. Yeah, man. I'm out.